Good morning students, my name is Deepika Khare. Here I am here to teach you class 12th lesson first, that is invocation, special English MP board. Okay, this lesson is for MP board student because it is given in their book, and here we are studying invocation. Invocation means calling God in the form of prayer, in the form of devotion, in the form of aarti, puja, worship. That is all calling of God. This poem is taken from Hymns of Veda written by Avinash Chand Bose. Actually, Dr. Avinash Chand Bose has taken some collection from the Vedas and give the name of book Hymns of Vedas. Okay, here some difficult word meaning is given in Hindi. If you have any doubt, so you can ask. And now the explanation of the lesson is that here we have to make understanding between our people and strangers, because those who are our, we love them, but we have to love strangers also, because they are also people and they are also joined with us and like us, and our mind and purposes, all the whatever the we are thinking, it is only for the welfare of people, it is only for the welfare of humanity. So our thinking must be clean and good. Next stanza is that don't call the war never gives happiness. Okay, war never gives satisfaction. Only the slain, that is killed, all the people are killed in the war, and cry and screaming, weeping, all these things are given by war. So nobody is happy with the war. So we never call the God of war, and we have to make a new day, celebrate a new day with happiness, joy, new ideas, and our development. That is all for today. This is my lecture for class 12th special English first lesson. Now you can share, like or subscribe my channel. This lecture is also given in Hindi and English as well as. So if you want to try it Hindi or listen it Hindi, so go to my link, and if you want to listen it in English, so this is for English medium student. That's all for today. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.